In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your upholstery. And as you can see, I will be demonstrating this process on this tan microfiber chair. Important, not all upholstery can be cleaned with water, so always check the cleaning code on the tag or on your receipt of purchase for the correct cleaning instructions. Here's what to look for. W means that it can be cleaned with water only. S means it must be cleaned with a dry cleaning solvent only. SW can be cleaned with both solvents and water. And X means vacuum only, which means no water. Call a professional. Step 1 of this process is to always vacuum thoroughly, removing all dust, dirt, and food remnants. A little pro tip for you: if you're going to clean a cushion or a couch or a love seat, always make sure you use a crevice tool when you're vacuuming, because sharp objects can fall down into the cushions, things like needles, razor blades, knives, and you don't want to cut yourself and begin to bleed everywhere. Step 2 of this process is to make your own DIY upholstery cleaner. This will save you a ton of money. For the cleaner, use 1 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Mix it up in a spray bottle, then pre-treat the furniture by spraying it down liberally. From that point, you want to use a soft bristle brush and scrub that cleaner into the fabric. Step 3 of this process is to flush and extract using the Hoover CleanSlate spot remover with water only in the tank. You can buy one of these at Walmart, or I will leave this product listed and linked down below for you so you can check it out. Nice thing about this is it has a built-in sprayer, so you just pull the trigger with your finger to release the water, and this process will basically extract all the dirt and grime and soil that you find in the fabric of the upholstery. Another great thing about this DIY cleaner is it leaves no residue behind. If you still have some visible spots afterwards, just repeat steps 2 and 3 as many times as needed. And finally, step 4 is just to let it dry. You can use a fan for this, or if it's summertime, just put it in a hot garage, let it dry overnight, and it'll be as good as new. I should also mention that you can use this exact same process to remove spots on your carpet. And that, my friends, is how to clean upholstery. If you've ever wanted to know how to clean a washing machine, click the video on the screen now, give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.